Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Lokman. In this video, I'm going to talk about of my final year project, which is Children with Autism Social Anxiety Management System. So, the background of the study is social anxiety disorder is a feeling of being nervous or uncomfortable in a social situation. When it comes to children, they are typically able to hide out their social anxiety issues for a while. So, the problem statement is based on McV 2018. Poor social setting have been correlated with more significant social anxiety in autism. Autism anxiety has been thought to contribute to greater fear and avoidance of social environments. So, the proposed solution of this problem is I would like to provide a management system to manage the children anxiety, and the second one is to provide the suggestion to train the social skill. So, as you can see here, this is my methodology, which is incremental. So, as you can see at the right side, I have three modules of the methodology, which is registration, daily screening, and suggestion. So, this is my first incremental of the registration. This is my second increment of my, which is daily screening. The third one is the suggestion. So, this is my use case diagram of the system. As you can see, the user have at least 10 use case, which is create account, view account, update account, delete account, create child, view child, delete child, answer test, view answer, and finally view recommendation. So, let's go to the domain class diagram. As you can see here, I have three tables. This table consists of user, child, and screening test. In the user table, you can see the user ID, user full name, user username, user password, user email, and user type. And the child, inside the child is child ID, child name, child age, and user ID. Finally, on the final table is screening test, which consists of answer ID, answer total, date taken, and date child. So, let's go to the system demo. Okay, so this is my children with autism social anxiety management system. So, this is the index page. So, it consists of login and create account. First we create the account. The full name will be, we try Abdul Kamal. The username, I will go for Abdul Kamal. The email, same. So the password, I will try Abdul123. So this is the parent type. So Abdul Kamal, I will try to put as a parent. So create account. User created successfully. Back. So I will log in with the information Abdul Kamal. So when I put the wrong password, it will say that you are not registered yet. So we're going to log in. So this is my home page, consists of 4 buttons, which is manage children, profile, screening test, and logout. So first we manage the children. Okay, now we don't have any children and we add children. So the children will be city, age of 12. So we create the children. Children created successfully, and we see the city have been added to the system. So now we go to the profile, and you see this is the profile where about this account, where I can update profile and delete the account. So we go back and we go to the screening test. So screening test could be loosely defined as proactive rather than reactive. A screening test is performed as a preventative measure. So we go to answer the test. We pick city. So you need to read carefully whenever the children is currently having a social anxiety attack. So we try to see if she have excessive sweating, shaky, dry mouth, pain, nausea. Here, no, 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 no. So wait. So this will be the score of the recent test where I put earlier. So our score is 6 out of 10. So this the bottom is the recommendation of the the tips how to tackle the social anxiety. So the recommendation is we give based on the how the score total mark which is. So as you can see, I give the system suggests that the children need to breathe as slowly as deeply as you can through his mouth, slowly, and count steadily from 1 to 5, and need to focus, and she need to more to focus her breathing. So you can see when I click the view history. So as you can see, this is the graph of the overall over overall result. So I just enter the during 1 August, and you can see here is 1 August. The data is 6. So whenever I put whenever I answer the test more and more, it all will be recorded to through this graph. Okay, I think that's all for my system. Thank you very much for watching this video.